good morning, welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video you are just going to learn about how to do multiplication with sub base. So till now we just learned how to do multiplication with base 100, 1000, 10,000 like that, and now if sub base is given, how to do, like we can't multiply only the numbers only with the 10, hundreds, thousands like that, right? So we have to change the numbers. If if the number is very near to 100 only, then we can follow that. If it is not near to 100, if it is not near to 1000, what we will do? If it is near to 50 or 20, 30, then what? Right? In that cases, we are going to use this method, multiplication with sub base. Okay, students. So now, before going to start the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe, and there is a notification bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you never miss my updates. So multiplication with sub base. Now we will see what is that. I already said that you are going to do multiplication of numbers. For example, if I want to multiply a number with 24 with 28, I will consider this base is 10, and I'll consider this sub base is, they are near to 20. So 24 multiplied with 28. The same procedure how we followed in the previous. It is more than 20 by 4, and it is also more than 20 by 8. And now cross. 24 plus 8 is 32. 4 8s are 32. After this, the same procedure what we followed. You may ask that what is the change here? Yes, the change is here. And 20 I can write as 2 times of 10. So here I should multiply this answer, not this one, with 2. 32 into 2, that is 64. And now I should go for balancing rule. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and we'll write it as it is. So the multiplication of 24 and 28 is 672. You can clearly understand this with one more example. (42) multiplied by 46. So I'm going to consider this base is 10, and I'll consider this sub base is 50, because 46 is very near to 50. 42 multiplied by 46. So it is less than 50 by 8, and it is also less than 50 by 4. And 42 minus 4 is nothing but 38. And minus into minus plus, 4 8s are 32. So this is 5 times more than my base. So I should multiply this with 5 table. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19. And for this I should apply the balancing rule. 1 9 and 0 plus 3 is 3 2. 1932. Okay, students, and now we will go with one more example. 67 multiplied by 73, and here I'll consider this 2 belongs to a base of 10, and the sub base is we'll consider 70. Both are near to 70. So 67 is less than 70 by minus 3, and 73 is more than 70 by plus 3. So 67 plus 3 is 70, and plus into minus minus, 3 3s are 9. So you know that you are going to write 2 digits, and my base is more than 10 by 7. So I'll multiply this by 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 sevens are 49. And balancing rule. 9 will come as it is. 0 plus 0. Okay, students, and here there is a small logic we are missing here. because the symbol is different. Before going to the balancing rule, before going to the balancing rule, here I have a different symbols. So for this I should go for subtraction 490. Why? Because my base is 10 and that is the reason. 1 0 I'll add here, minus 9. So from here we'll give borrow 10, 9 and 8. 10 minus 9 1 and 9 will come, 8 will come, 8 4. So the answer is 4891. So this kind of example we'll solve one more. 89 multiplied by 93. As we all know that the base I am considering as 10 and sub base is we'll consider as 90 because both are very near to 90. 89 is less than 90 by 1 and 93 is more than 90 by 3. And we all know that 92 plus into minus minus and 3. So as you all know that my sub base is more than base by 9. So we'll multiply by 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 9s are 81 plus 1, 82. 8 2 8 and my base has 1 0 minus 3. 10 minus 3 7 and 7 2 8. So the answer is 8277. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class. If you find this information useful, please share it with your friends.